In addition to utilizing the online staffing management system to maintain employee records, the Employee Self-Service Banner module is where employees submit their leave report, view pay stub information, and manage their personal information and emergency contacts. This video covers how to use Employee Self-Service Banner to update your personal information. If your personal information update needs to be reflected in your benefits, we will also show you how to complete the appropriate employee family status change form through the online staffing management system. A link has been provided in the comment section below this video on how to manage your employee photo, which is displayed in the university's directory, used for your Kettering Employee ID, as well as university systems such as the Employee Self-Service Banner. Navigate to my.kettering.edu. In the search bar, search for Employee Self-Service Banner and select Search. In the search results, select Banner Employee Self-Service with the page type of Tools and Applications. You are now logged into Employee Self-Service Banner and should see the employee dashboard. Your screen may look a little different due to the security and privilege set associated with your position. You can access the following information from the employee dashboard. To the right of the screen, you can see all of your available leave balances. In the lower half of the screen, you can view your pay stub and deductions, benefits and beneficiaries, tax withholding, and employment summary information. At the very top left-hand corner of the browser, you will see the Banner menu launcher icon. This icon will take you to other self-service modules such as My Finance if your position includes budget responsibilities, or the Faculty Advisor self-service module if you are teaching or providing advising to students. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen under My Activities, you will see the Enter Leave Report button. Here's where employees submit hours worked and leave time used to the payroll office. In this video, we will focus on updating your personal information, which is located under My Profile. On the Profile page, you have the option of quickly updating your information by selecting the pencil icon or by selecting the More Personal Information link. On the Personal Information page, we're going to navigate to the Personal Details section by selecting the Edit button. Some of the fields on this form are not editable. If your legal name, date of birth, marital status, or legal sex needs revised, please use the Employee Family Status Change form located in the online staffing management system. If appropriate, this form will also prompt you to upload supporting legal documents in order for the Human Resources Office to modify your record. Employees have the option to modify their preferred name if different from their legal first name, as well as your gender identification. Select Update or Cancel to return to the main screen. The next section is Email. This information is not updatable. Kettering University will only communicate with you on your secure Kettering Google email address. Under the phone number section, it's important to make sure you have 3 phone numbers listed on your record. All employees should have a cell phone number on their record. Your cell phone is used should you forget your Kettering login credentials and need to reset your password. Upon your request, the system will text you a password reset token, enabling you to update your password. All employees should also have their cell phone listed for the phone type KU Emergency Alert. Should the university close due to unforeseen situation, inclement weather, or a campus emergency, employees will be notified at the number that is entered. All employees should also have an office phone type included on their record. This number will be included in your Kettering directory information. If you need to add one of these phone types to your record, select the Add New. On the Add Phone Number screen, select your phone type, enter your phone number without any special characters or spaces. Select the type and select Add. Scrolling down to your address information, all employees should have a permanent home residence and an office address listed. Office address is included in your Kettering directory information. Select Add New to add a new address, or select the pencil icon to update your information. In the next section, Emergency Contact, all employees are required to have at least one emergency contact listed on their record. Select Add New to add a new emergency contact, or use the pencil icon to update information on your existing emergency contact. At the bottom of the screen, please also verify the information under Additional Details. We need to verify that your ethnicity and race, veteran classification, and disability status are all correct. Select the Edit Pencil icon to update any of these elements. If any of the information was updated and affects your benefits, this next part of the video will show you how to log into the online staffing management system to submit an employee family status change form. In a new browser tab, navigate to my.kettering.edu. In the search bar, search for the Online Staffing Management System, or OSMS for short, and select Search. In the search results, select the Online Staffing Management System link with the page type of Tools and Applications. Log into OSMS utilizing your Kettering credentials. In the top left-hand corner of the browser, select the blue ellipsis icon and select Employee Records. Once the Employee Records module opens, scroll down in the left navigation bar and select Available Forms. On the Available Forms page, select the Employee Family Status Change form. Once the form opens, information regarding this form as well as the instructions are provided. If we scroll down under Form Options, you'll find further information about form options as well as a link to the help sheet for further information on how to use this module. You to scroll down and complete this form as appropriate. At the bottom of this form, you will find an employee consent section. Please read in full and agree to the terms and conditions by selecting the checkbox. Scrolling down further under the attachment section, as appropriate, please upload a copy of your legal documents. At the very bottom of the form, you will see that you have 4 options. Select Print as PDF to print an electronic copy of this form. Save Draft button will save information you have entered on this form. This option will allow you to return at a later time to update or upload information as appropriate. If you have completed the form, select Save Final. This form requires a signature, and an email message has been sent to your Kettering email address requesting you electronically sign this form. You have the option to immediately sign the form by scrolling to the bottom underneath the Sign section. Read the electronic signature statement in full by selecting the link. Once you have read the statement, type your full name, and next, accept the statement by selecting the checkbox. You'll see you now have 2 additional form buttons to choose from. If you need to make any changes to information provided on the form, you can unlock the form and return it to an editable state. Once you've completed signing the form, select Submit. The form is now routed to the next appropriate step in the approval workflow. If you have any questions about an employment form or document, contact the Human Resources Office. If you encounter any technical issues utilizing Banner Employee Self-Service or the Online Staffing Management System, please contact the Technology Help Desk.